So it is important again during breastfeeding that a woman includes all food groups and healthy food groups in healthy portions during her breastfeeding period. Now during breastfeeding, some women have complained that they feel as if they expend more energy during the breastfeeding period, and so they may feel tempted to actually increase their calorie intake, which may not be necessarily beneficial. So caloric intake may have to increase during pregnancy, but not to an extent whereby it's unhealthy. Now the other important supplementation that needs to be considered is iron supplementation. If you are taking iron supplements during pregnancy, you can continue with them after the delivery. When a woman has her baby during the delivery, normally there is an amount of blood that is lost, and so it's important that iron supplementation can continue during the breastfeeding period. The other supplement that is important is calcium. So women may complain of joint aches, or may complain of backache, or may complain of just easy fatigability. And when you do tests like calcium and vitamin D deficiency, actually deficiencies have been found in these women. So calcium supplementation during breastfeeding is paramount, as well as testing for vitamin D deficiency in the baby who's just been born, as well as the mother, so we can mitigate the deficiencies of vitamin D. The other important supplementation is to continue with micronutrient supplementation. Many women, when they're pregnant, they are given micronutrient supplementation in form of multivitamins. It is important, especially if they cannot meet all the food groups, especially micronutrients, in their normal diet, they can continue with micronutrient supplementation in form of multivitamins. Yes, calcium supplementation is absolutely important. Now, the baby basically does get all their nutritional needs met during breastfeeding, but for the mother, there is some loss of calcium. And it's important as women age and as you head into menopause, whereby they are prone to osteoporosis with the reduction of estrogen, and the bones need to be protected. So it's important that calcium supplementation is given to women. And actually, women of all ages, pregnant or not, calcium supplementation is important. And sometimes I advise women from the age of 40 to do at least calcium supplementation 3 months in a year up to the time they get to menopause, and even continue for longer when they are in menopause, because we want to prevent them from getting osteoporosis that predisposes them to brittle bones and easily have fractures when they fall.